Hey guys, future me here. I'm filming this after the video that you're fixing to watch, just to kind of show you here what we've got. It's one of our garden basket kits. A couple things to note: by the time this video goes live, we're hoping to have these on the website. It may take a couple days, so keep checking back. essenceofthekeys.com. It'll be in the video description. So note that if you order these with lasered pictures, we do these to order, so it's going to take a little time. It might add a day or two to it, depending on how many orders we get. And also, this is a natural product, so everyone's going to be a little bit different, a little unique. So enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, comment down below if there's anything that you would like to see lasered onto these, any designs or whatever. We are open to suggestions that other people might enjoy. Check out the website. We also have merch available. Again, these are going to be coming soon. It may take us a day or two to get all the pictures and everything uploaded, but they will be on the website. Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to do another video on the baskets. We done this video 2 or 3 months ago, and it has just went crazy beyond our wildest belief. So we're going to go through how this is put together, because we're going to be releasing this on our website, essenceofthekeys.com, as a kit that we will ship to you. It'll be flat packed, everything will be in it. All you'll have to do is put it together. So this is going to be basically a tutorial on how to put it together. Stick around to the end of the video. I've got a very important question to ask y'all, so I need your input. With that being said, let's get to cutting. Smooth like Jägermeister. And we're going to rip it down to 1.5 inch strips, and that will be the slats on the basket. I'm going to pull this staple out because it's not good from a blade. So when you get your kit, it'll have 2 rope handles. The knots will be tied in one end, and I've taped the other end just so it wouldn't come undone. All you have to do is stick them through. Your knot goes to the inside of your basket, or you can put it on the outside if you want, if you're one of those kind of people. And then tie your other knot on the other side, and that'll be your handle. These end pieces, we are going to have a couple of designs that we will have at a additional charge, lasered. Well, this was a memory basket for somebody, but I messed up the other end, so I didn't ever give it to him. But the original video, I think it said farm to table, and it had a truck. I think for fall we're going to have one that has maybe like a pumpkin and says happy fall y'all, or something like that, something cheesy that my wife likes. And we can put your name on the other end. When you get your kit, all your slats will be pre-drilled, so all you have to do is set them on a flat surface. Oops. I'm using my table saw because, well, my shop's a mess. And we will just pull that tight. You don't want to pull it too tight because you will split the wood, and that's on you. I'll have these pre-drilled and ready to go, but if you over tighten it, it will split. If it splits, you can put glue in it and clamp it up and it'll be all right, but might be good to do it by hand. This is really soft wood. It's cedar, so it's going to withstand, you know, it'll weather really nice. This is white cedar. So it's just rinse and repeat. If you want, you can put a spot of glue behind these joints before you put the screw in. That'll just make it an extra strong bond. But all right, so the way I do it, I usually do the two top ones first, and then I'll do these bottom ones, and then I do the sides. I do the bottom ones next because I don't really measure. I just line them up with the miter, sink the screw in, do the same on the other side. You want to make sure you got everything good and square though. And I pull it to make sure everything's flush. Just lay one of the slats on there and do this. Oops. Just lay it on there. Hold it in place. Alright, so since how you won't have extras, you turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. And I will mark these again. I'll mark them, but that's just an easy way of doing it. And really, once you get the first screw in, it'll hold it. So on the last one, we turn your extra thing sideways. And these, again, will be marked. And then all you have to do is do a light sanding. So to finish this out, or to gild the lily as they say, we'll send some plugs, and it's the same material. You do need a sharp pocket knife or a chisel, a good sharp chisel. You can put a little bit of glue in the hole. I'm not on this one just because it's a demonstrator model. Just push it in there, and this is the exact same material this is. Take your pocket knife or your chisel, and there you have it.
Just cut it off flush.
And the cool thing about using these plugs is it's the same material, so it's going to age the same. The grain, you can try to match it up. Chances are you're not going to, but that's it. Light sanding, put your rope, your handle on, tie a knot, and you've got a lovely basket. Let's just do this thing. Let's finish this basket. Okay, so there you have it. You got a nice garden basket. I've seen people use these for magazines, or if you do gardening, this is actually what they call a garden basket. It's just up to you what you want to do. So, can you see me? The important question, I don't know if y'all pay attention to what I wear or not. Usually every time I shoot a video, I've got a shirt on that says Essence of the Keys, and it's got a rooster on it somewhere. Question is, what should we call the rooster? He needs a name. Put your suggestions in the comments below. Be nice. This is a family channel. We appreciate y'all watching. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're returning, welcome back. Our channel is growing. We are almost to 300, which, considering only a couple months ago we was only at 100, that's really exciting to us. Like and subscribe. Share this with someone that you might think might get benefit out of it. Again, this kit will be a flat pack. It'll be on our website, essenceofthekeys.com. We will put a link in the description below, and we will see you in the next video.